In today's video, I'm going to show you the best 8 affiliate networks that you can join and make a lot of money from. We're going to go over the details of each network in this video. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs, networks, and niches. Let's go ahead and get started. The first affiliate network we'll go over is Impact, and Impact has over 5,000 brands that you can work with. Over 300,000 affiliates have signed up to Impact. And Impact has brands in every single niche you can think of, from cryptocurrency to AI to pet products, you name it, they have it. The minimum payout is $50 and you can get paid out via ACH and PayPal. The next network is Share a Sale, which is one of the biggest affiliate networks in the whole world. They have over 30,000 companies that have signed up and over 1 million affiliates who've signed up. It has small to large size companies in pretty much every single niche out there that you can work with. And the minimum payout is $50 and you can get paid out via ACH, wire transfer, or check. The next affiliate network we'll go over is Travel Payout, which is the biggest affiliate network in the travel niche. And they've paid out over $72 million to affiliates since 2011. And they have over 100 of the biggest travel brands. And the minimum payout is $50 and you can get paid out via PayPal, web money, and wire transfer. And next we have CJ, which has over 4,000 of the top global brands on their platform, physical products, digital products, all sorts of niches, you name it, they have it. And it's one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world. And the minimum payout is $50. You can get paid out via ACH, check, and Payoneer. And then we have Partnerstack, which is an affiliate network that specializes in SaaS products. If you don't know what SaaS is, it's software as a service, basically digital websites, digital products, stuff like that. And they have quite a few niches in these SaaS products, such as AI, e-commerce, human resources, productivity, sales, security, social media, basically digital products. So if you're interested in promoting digital products, I think Partnerstack is a great affiliate network. And they actually have one of the lowest minimum payouts for the network. You can get paid out after you make $5, and you can get paid out via PayPal, Stripe, or wire transfer. And then we have Lemon Squeezy, which is actually a payments platform. It helps companies with subscriptions, payments, online stores, and stuff like that. But they actually have an affiliate network that all the companies that use Lemon Squeezy can optionally sign up to. And there's so many companies to choose from on the Lemon Squeezy affiliate network. And Lemon Squeezy is growing very fast. Stripe actually just bought it. However, they're going to continue to grow it. And most of the companies on the Lemon Squeezy affiliate network are digital products, and you can get paid out via Stripe or PayPal. And then we have Awin, which has over 30,000 companies to work from, and they specialize in a few different niches such as retail, shopping, fashion, travel, finance, and insurance. And the minimum payout on the affiliate network is $20, and you can get paid out via ACH or wire transfer. And then we have ClickBank, which is basically the biggest affiliate network out there for selling courses. And they have over 100,000 active affiliates. They don't have brands that you would recognize. It's all about courses, self-help, get rich, stuff like that. If that's what you're into, it's not really my niche. However, there's a lot of affiliates who do like this niche. Then ClickBank is definitely the affiliate network for you. And they've been around for 25 years and they've paid out billions of dollars to affiliates. And if you want to find more affiliate networks or compare affiliate networks, then make sure to check out the networks page on affiliate.watch. And if you're interested in working with companies directly and don't want to use an affiliate network, then make sure to check out our independent category on the networks page, which will show you all the affiliate programs that you can sign up directly with and not use an affiliate network. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out affiliate.watch if you want to find more affiliate programs, and make sure to like, subscribe, and have a great rest of the day.